Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone is doing amazing. In today's recipe, I'm going to show you how to make the easiest Ghana Shito ever, which is Ghanaian black chili sauce. So if you are interested, please keep on watching and I'll see you next time for another recipe. To make Shito, you need onions. So I've got a mix of brown onions. I've got Maggi cube, prawn cube, a lot of oil, fish powder. I have got Scotch bonnet, ginger, and also garlic cloves. I also have um, a prawn powder, tomato paste. I have red onions, shallots, and also chili powder. Okay, and that's it. So let's get started. So to start with, I'm going to pour about 1 liter of oil and let it heat up. While that's heating up, I'm going to blend all my ingredients, which is the onion, ginger, garlic, pepper, and I'm going to blend it with a cup of oil. Okay, you can use any oil type you like. This time I'm using vegetable oil. So now blend it until smooth. Next, pour the mixture into the hot oil. Be careful because it is very hot and you risk burning yourself. And also this recipe is going to last you for ages, for at least 3 months. Okay, if you keep it well in airtight container. I like to keep it in my freezer. Okay, so now stir it and let it fry for about 50 minutes on a medium heat to low. And please do not forget to at least every 3 to 5 minutes or so to come and check on your shito and stir it. Okay, so guys, this is me and it is after about 25 minutes to 30 minutes and you can see that the texture is changing. Yeah, so I came back to stir it. Hey guys, this is me. I'm back again and this has been frying for a total of 50 minutes on a medium heat to low. So now I'm going to add my tomato paste. Okay, and some people call it tomato puree, so it really depends on where you are. So I am going to add 1.5 tube of tomato puree. 1 tube is 200 grams and half is 100, so let's say about 300 grams of tomato puree. You can also decide to skip it. Sometimes when I make shito, I do not add any tomato to it. Okay, but I guess it's down to each and everyone's preferences. So now stir it and make sure you stir it very well so that the tomatoes is well mixed in. Hey guys, so this is it now. So you can see it is well mixed in with the ginger, pepper, garlic and onions. So now I am going to let it cook for a further 10 to 15 minutes and always coming to stir it. And now I'm going to add my powdered pepper. So I've got here about 5 tablespoons of chili powder, the extremely hot one. You can decide to add even more if you want your shito to be very hot, or a bit less if you do not want it. Now stir it and let it fry for a further 10 minutes. Next, we are going to add our fish powder, and this is smoked fish powder. Okay, you don't have to use the smoked one, just use normal fish powder. And then I am going to add my prawn powder. You can also use crayfish powder if you prefer. Next, stir it. And I also wanted to mention, sometimes if you can either use a smoked fish powder, just that, and omit the prawn, or use only the prawn and omit the fish powder. Okay, because some people do have allergies. Next, I am going to add my prawn cube. You can also use crayfish cube or shrimp cubes. Okay, and this is a large one, so I am just using one. Next, I am going to add my Maggi cube, and again I am using only one because it is a large one. Feel free to add more if you want more taste. Some people also add salt. I myself do not add any salt in my shito. Next, stir it. And then we are going to let this fry for about 15 to 20 minutes on a medium heat. Okay, and then we are going to add more oil. So this is the remaining other 1 liter of oil that I'm adding now. Okay, so in total I am using about 2.5 liters of oil. Now let it cook for another 20 minutes until your shito becomes dark, just like this, and then turn off the heat and your shito is ready. Now keep it in airtight container. Okay, make sure you let it cool off first. Yeah, I usually leave mine to cool off about a day, and then put it in a container, and keep the one I'm going to use in the fridge and the remaining one in the freezer for when I need it. Okay, so thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.